Let's look at the immediate challenge. During the pandemic, millions of workers found themselves displaced, carrying what they could back to their home villages, needing a way to support their families right away. To address this drop in income, the central government launched the Garib Kalyan Rojgar Abhiyaan. This is an employment initiative built specifically for returning workers. The core promise of the program is straightforward: 125 days of guaranteed paid employment located right in your local rural area. Instead of forcing displaced workers to scramble for emergency jobs, this initiative provides a structured government guarantee, stepping in to prevent severe economic distress for returning families. This map shows the exact geographical scope of the program. It strictly targets 116 specific districts within 6 eligible states: Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Odisha, and Jharkhand. If you are in one of those districts, your first personal requirement is your current status. You must officially be classified as a returning migrant worker. You will need physical proof of this status. That means you must have either a migrant worker registration slip or, if you don't have that, a written self-declaration document. The final, non-negotiable requirement for identity verification is an active Aadhaar card. If you attempt to register without these exact documents, or if your local district is outside those 6 designated states, the registration center will immediately reject the application. With your mandatory documents in hand, travel directly to your local Gram Panchayat office. Do not try to apply online or travel to a district headquarters. At the office, you'll go through an official interview called skill mapping. Authorities will profile your previous trade experience and note your specific interests. Be highly descriptive about your specific capabilities during this phase. Speaking up ensures you aren't assigned to manual labor that doesn't match your skill set. Once the interview is complete, you will see your name, verified status, and skill profile entered directly into the official Gram Panchayat register. Accurate skill mapping serves 2 purposes. It allows the government to efficiently execute rural infrastructure projects, and it ensures you are assigned to tasks you are genuinely suited to perform. After registration comes job allocation. The Gram Panchayat will officially assign you to a specific local public works project. There is a wide variety of work available, with 25 distinct public infrastructure projects currently operating in these rural areas. Based on your skill mapping, you might be assigned to heavy infrastructure tasks, like highway construction or laying Bharat-net fiber optic cabling. Alternatively, you could be assigned to local environmental or agricultural projects, such as the excavation of farm ponds. To fund and supervise these 25 different project types, 12 collaborative ministries, including railways, telecom, and environment, are working together. This multi-ministry collaboration cuts out bureaucratic bottlenecks. It guarantees that local villages have an immediate surplus of funded projects ready to absorb the sudden influx of returning labor. Once assigned, your daily requirement is to report to your specific site location and execute your tasks under the supervising ministry's guidelines. As you work, you won't be handed physical cash. Instead, your daily wages are credited directly into your bank account. You must ensure your active bank account is officially linked to your Aadhaar card. This is the single biggest step you can take to prevent failed deposits. As long as you report to your site, this daily wage cycle and work assignment is guaranteed for exactly 125 days. By bypassing middlemen with direct digital bank transfers, the entire wage reaches your family securely, establishing an immediate economic safety net. Securing this income requires 3 clear phases: registering at the Gram Panchayat, receiving your job allocation, and completing the daily work. To start, locate your Aadhaar card and your migrant registration slip right now. Take those documents and travel directly to your local Gram Panchayat today to initiate your skill mapping process. By participating in the Garib Kalyan Rojgar Abhiyaan, a sudden displacement becomes 125 days of guaranteed rural stability and community rebuilding.